Hi guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial out of the nature. I'm here in Mittenwald, Bavaria, Germany, and today I like to take pictures inside of a Klamm, and how you can do pictures inside of a Klamm I will show you later. But first, before we go inside of the Klamm, you need some special materials. And normally you will make a long exposure in combination with a tripod and ND filter to get a smooth water effect inside of the Klamm. But actually you don't have the space to use a normal tripod inside of the Klamm because of these. One option is monopod if you use a monopod. But if you don't have a monopod, you have to do all by hand, out of the hand, and I'll do my pictures today out of the hand, and it's very easy if you have a good camera with a good image stabilization. And my camera, the Olympus Omni 1 Mark II, has a good image stabilization that I can make pictures with several seconds out of the hand. And of course then you need the ND filters and gradiated filters, especially if you have a very bright sky inside of a Klamm. You need a gradiated filter to darken the sky area a bit. But you don't have to be worried if you don't have a good image stabilization, because if you have a camera strap on your camera, you can use it as support for stabilization. And later on I will show you how does it works. And now let's make a checklist. I used my camera with a good image stabilization, and I used my ND filters and gradiated filters in combination, and I don't use any tripod or monopod. I use my camera strap for stabilization, and these are all the important items. And of course I use the normal lens with my camera. And now let's go inside of the Klamm and take the pictures. Additionally, you can use a CPL filter to reduce the reflections in the water, and the positive effect is you get also a smoother optic if you make also a shorter long exposure. This is with a CPL filter possible. Now let's go ahead with the trick with the camera strap. My camera strap is too long, so I prefer that you use a shorter one, and ideally angle your arms on the right and left side of your body. And put the camera strap under transition, which means that a lot of transition has to be built up here. This stabilizes the camera even more, once through the arms and once through the camera strap. It looks stupid, but it works. Of course you can use the fans if you have available in the Klamm, and you can use it for more stabilization for the long exposure. Settings are as follows. I choose the aperture priority mode by Olympus, mode S, and my image stabilization was switched on because I did my pictures by hand. My ISO was by 200, and my exposure time was between 1 and 3 seconds, and my aperture was automatically. I hope you liked my tutorial, and if yes, please subscribe my channel, thumbs up, and write me a nice comment, and we will see us in my next tutorial. Ciao!